Welcome to Compare to Win. The best potty chair is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for seniors seeking to maintain their independence and dignity in the comfort of their own homes, offering a safe and accessible solution for those who may struggle with traditional bathroom setups. This review will delve into the features, benefits, and practical considerations of various adult potty chairs, ensuring you can make an informed decision to enhance the quality of life for yourself or a loved one. Number 5. Drive Medical Folding Steel Bedside Commode. Regain your independence with this versatile 3-in-1 solution. It offers flexible use anywhere you need it, complete with a large bucket. Transport and storage are made simple with its foldable design. It features adjustable height and a wide seat to fit your needs. Get it ready in no time. Assembly is fast and tool-free, with easy adjustments for a secure, personalized fit. Built for daily use, its strong steel construction and supportive armrests can hold up to 350 pounds. Our mission is to provide innovative healthcare solutions that truly enhance your life. What we like? This commode offers incredible versatility with its 3-in-1 design. It's perfect for those who need a reliable and adaptable solution for their bathroom needs. If you are looking for a portable option that is easy to set up and store, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This potty chair is very sturdy and stable, making it safe for seniors. The design is comfortable and easy to clean, which is a great feature for caregivers. It functions well as a standalone potty chair and can also be used over a regular toilet. Number 4. Commode liners with absorbent pads. Say goodbye to the unpleasant task of emptying the commode. Our absorbent pads turn fluids into odor-free gel, making disposal as simple as tying and tossing the liner. Transform a dreaded cleanup into a quick and clean job. This is the most efficient way to manage waste for bedside commodes, portable toilets, and camping potties. These pads absorb and eliminate odors, helping to maintain dignity and respect for seniors and the disabled. They can ease the transition to using a commode. With high absorbency, these pads convert fluids into a gel, effectively limiting and reducing strong odors in the room. Simply place one in the commode and let it work. Designed for seniors and those with disabilities, these disposable liners and absorbent pads prevent leaks and eliminate odors. They are a lifesaver, especially during the night. What we like? Tired of the messy cleanup associated with commode chairs? These liners with absorbent pads make the process a breeze. If you prioritize a hygienic and odor-free experience, and want to maintain dignity during use, these are a must-have. What people say. The potty chair is sturdy and stable, providing a secure seating option. It is easy to clean and maintain, which is a great convenience. The design is comfortable and supportive, making it suitable for extended use. Number 3. Commode liners with absorbent pads. Say goodbye to the hassle of washing your commode bucket. Our liners offer a cleaner, more convenient solution for your bedside commode. These liners are designed for ultimate ease of use and hygiene. Simply place one in your commode, use as needed, and dispose of it. Each liner comes with an absorbent pad to help control odors and manage liquids effectively. This ensures a more comfortable and discreet experience. Perfect for home use, travel, or camping, these portable toilet bags make any porta potty or commode more convenient. Take them wherever you go. Enjoy the freedom of not having to wash the commode bucket ever again. Our liners provide a simple, disposable alternative for a cleaner environment. Upgrade your commode experience with these practical and hygienic liners. They are designed to make your life easier and cleaner. What we like? For those who need a consistent supply of commode liners, this 100-pack is ideal. They offer excellent odor control and are perfect for both home use and travel. If you are looking for a cost-effective and convenient solution for frequent use, this is the product for you. What people say. This is a great potty chair for seniors. It is very sturdy and easy to clean. The potty chair is comfortable and provides good support. It is also lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around the house. The design is simple and functional. It fits well in most bathrooms and does not take up too much space. Number 2. Bedside Commode Portable Toilet for Adults. Introducing a versatile bedside commode designed for adults seeking enhanced comfort and independence. It provides a reliable and safe solution for daily needs. This commode chair features adjustable height settings, ensuring a perfect and comfortable fit for every individual. Achieve optimal positioning with ease. Equipped with sturdy arms, it offers additional support and stability. Feel secure and confident with every use, promoting greater safety. Experience unparalleled convenience with its dual toilet system. This thoughtful design simplifies routines and enhances user experience. Navigate nighttime with ease thanks to the integrated induction night light. It provides gentle illumination, ensuring safety and peace of mind after dark. This portable potty chair is an excellent choice for the elderly and individuals with disabilities. It empowers users to maintain dignity and autonomy. What we like. This commode chair is designed with convenience and safety in mind, especially for nighttime use. The induction night light is a thoughtful addition for seniors and the disabled. If you need a commode that offers enhanced safety features and adjustable comfort, this is a great option. What people say. The potty chair is sturdy and stable, providing a secure seating option. It is easy to clean and maintain, which is a great convenience. The design is comfortable and ergonomic, making it suitable for extended use. Number 1. Carex 3-in-1 Folding Bedside Commode. Introducing a versatile 3-in-1 commode that adapts to your needs. It functions as a comfortable bedside commode, a convenient raised toilet seat, or a sturdy safety frame, supporting up to 300 pounds. Designed for ultimate convenience, this commode easily folds for compact storage and transportation. Its portable design makes it ideal for travel, offering a discreet and accessible solution wherever you go. This bedside commode comes as a complete system, including a durable bucket, splash guard, and lid. You can trust it for reliable and comprehensive support for adults. This adaptable unit transforms to suit your needs, functioning as a raised seat or safety frame. Its compact and easy folding mechanism ensures convenient storage and transport. The elevated commode chair offers customizable support with adjustable height options. This ensures it meets the comfort levels of various users. What we like. This product offers exceptional versatility, functioning as a commode, raised toilet seat, or toilet safety frame. It's also designed for easy folding and portability. If you need a comprehensive and adaptable solution that can be easily stored and transported, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great potty chair for seniors. It is very sturdy and easy to clean. The potty chair is comfortable and has a good height for seniors. It is also very stable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.